The trochlear nerve, also known as cranial nerve 4, is a unique and fascinating structure in the nervous system. It is the only cranial nerve that emerges from the dorsal aspect of the brainstem, specifically at the level of the inferior colliculus. This nerve also has a very rare characteristic. It decussates or crosses over within the brainstem at the level of the superior medullary velum. This means that the right trochlear nucleus controls the left superior oblique muscle, and vice versa. The trochlear nerve is responsible for innervating a single muscle, the superior oblique muscle of the eye. This muscle allows for depression and intorsion of the eyeball, important movements for coordinated vision. Another point of interest is that the trochlear nerve has the longest intracranial course of any cranial nerve, and it is very slender. These properties may actually help protect it from extrinsic pressure, especially around the brainstem and in the subarachnoid space. Despite this protection, it can still be damaged. Interestingly, vascular lesions due to diabetes are the most common cause of isolated trochlear nerve palsy, while lesions in the cavernous sinus rarely affect the trochlear nerve alone. It's more common for the oculomotor 3 and abducens 6 nerves to be impacted. Clinically, the trochlear nerve is also relevant during orbital surgery. The fibrocartilaginous loop in the trochlear fossa helps guide the superior oblique tendon. Damage to this area, whether accidental or surgical, can mimic IVTH nerve palsy even if the nerve itself is intact.